he at? Oh shit. Oh shit. Help me. Damn.
Now, who invited you here?
What the fuck is this? Who is he? Brother.
3 height, 175. Eye color gray. What the?
Who do we have here?
Bro, did you lean in the water?
Hello, Mr. Kevin. Yeah. Damn, look at me. Damn. What the fuck?
You wanna find an area to build, or you wanna explore first?
I think we should find a place to build a crib. You make it like right over here.
Yeah, this is actually really good. I say we just move them right here, right now, and then fully decide later on.
Damn.
What the fuck?
Oh, there's fish. Got that hoe.
No.
No, I'm eating that shit. You weird, bruh. Raw ass fish, bruh. I'm dying. Fuck, Kevin's a fucking bear. Get. So,
Wait,
oh.
Sparrow's dad.
Oh shit. Wait, how do I go back, bruh? I go back. I wanna go back. Hold on. Let me do this.
Hold on, I might eat that fish raw.
Follow me real quick. Damn. Here. Follow. Get 6 rocks. Logs. Drop here. I actually do. Man, I had a solo world for a while. I used to do fucking log glitches.
I know they patched that shit.
Oh, hell yeah. Do that shit for ages and make Kevin pick that shit up.
Real.
Wow.
Oh shit! I'm so sorry if I hit you. I don't.
She got no fucking windows?
Nope.
Here, one window at? I should have it right here.
I'll say I'm not give a fuck. You are the strategist here.
I need to see my surrounding, bro. OD. Do it one more time. You gotta do it twice. Oh. Wow.
Behind you! Behind you!
We're ready for bed. Good morning, Vietnam. Thank you for watching Sons of the Forest. Hope y'all enjoy. Let me know if y'all want a part 2. Probably gonna play more of it probably tomorrow. Other than that, thank y'all. See ya.